What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear, "the happiest place on earth, just do it," or "move the way you want"? Well, you can stop the video and tell us in the comment section. Otherwise, if you're a bit confused, no worries. Those are some slogans that belong to 3 popular brands. Do you know that many companies around the world pay marketing experts to come up with an engaging slogan or motto for their brands? Well, that's what we are going to do today, and learn how to make a lot of money from such a service that robots can do on your behalf. Let me show you where you can sell this service first. Then I will share with you the tool that will do it automatically in a few seconds for absolutely free. I want you to go to peopleperhour.com. This is a service marketplace where you can hire a freelancer or act as a freelancer and offer services to others. I want you to click on Search, then select Search Offers. This will take you to the page where you can see many freelancers offering a lot of services. Let's type in "write slogan" into the search box right here. All of these people are offering the service of writing a slogan for brands, and they are charging up to $70 for a 30 seconds work. Sounds cool, right? So what's their secret? To answer that, I want you to go to Google and search for Slogan Hill Slogan Maker. You can click on the first website on the search results. You will be taken to this platform called Design Hill, which is a do-it-yourself tool that helps you create short, punchy taglines or phrases relevant to your business. Design Hill is like a major hub for those looking for design-related tools. You can also hire freelancers here to help you design your brand identity. The quality of freelancers on this platform is really good. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to share with you how to work on this platform as a freelancer and make money online. Anyways, you can scroll down to learn more about this platform, so this tool will automatically generate plenty of slogans based on the keyword you type here. It should be related to what your customer's company does. Let's type finance. For example, you can see that the tool has generated many slogans that you can copy and send to your customer. Make sure to read through them and select the most appealing ones. You can sell this service on many other platforms. Just look for other service marketplace alternatives to People Per Hour, such as Fiverr, SEO Clerks, Guru, and so on. It's important to have a large exposure to increase your chances of getting that first order. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about this online money-making strategy. Well, I want to mention that some slogans are protected under trademark regulation. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to check whether you can use the slogan or not. And that's all for today. Make sure to check out the other strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.